Welcome to Closed Staff Onboarding Training, Module 2, Event Planning. Today's agenda will include what is event planning, an overview of the module's learning objectives and instructional activities. We will discuss knowledge checks. Then we will wrap up the module with a brief review and preview of the next module. The progression of each module is identical. Each module begins with an introduction, followed by learning objectives, instructional content, learning activities, and wraps up with knowledge checks and a review. So, introduction. What is event planning at the embassy? It is CLO coffees, tours and excursions, holiday celebrations, supper club, and so much more. It is any CLO sponsored activity that raises the morale of the mission. The learning objectives for Module 2 are all related to event planning. By the end of the module, learners will be able to create an RSVP in Google Forms and track the responses in Google Sheets, create an event flyer in canva.com, and identify and contact vendors and venues for an event using social media. Instructional content is delivered through a variety of media, including video tutorials, animations, written materials, and audio files. Learning activities. Each module has 3 learning activities. In this module, the learning activities are create an RSVP in Google Forms and track the responses in a separate Google Sheet, create an event flyer using canva.com. For learning activity 3, students will identify vendors and venues for an event and contact them via social media. After each learning activity, students will complete a knowledge check. Each of these formative assessments will consist of 2 to 3 multiple choice, true and false, matching, or short answer questions. Each module will take 60 to 90 minutes to complete. Each module will conclude with a review and a preview. There will be a brief review of the module content. This will be followed by a preview of the upcoming module. All content covered in each module will be revisited in the summative assessment.